Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this special tempered glass screen protector install for my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. SmartDevil, welcome to Team My Project 13. And thank you for giving me the opportunity to represent. And I got to tell you, this right here is a very nice presentation. SmartDevil Smart Pull Box, which is going to be the inner part of the packaging here. A little different from what I'm used to as far as doing a tempered glass screen protector install, but I am excited to get to that part of the video. But first, let's read some information. Dust-free and fast installation, handset dust-proof, silky feel, strong anti-fingerprint, explosion-proof, and dust-proof. On the back, a lot more information. Please read everything. So what we're going to do here is take this part of the packaging off. Put that right there. And this is where it gets special. SmartDevil, we offer better protection. Envelope bag with accessories. You can see the SmartDevil website there. Scan the QR code and activate the membership. Extend the after sales period by 2 years as far as the warranty. We'll get to that in just a moment. And this right here, folks, is where all the magic is going to happen. Look at that. You're going to get the Smart Pull Box instruction. Let me say this again. Read everything, folks. Now you're going to see everything that I do here in this video as far as the installation, but please read everything. Do not skip a beat. Quick installation instructions for lens protector. And here we have 1, 2, and we have a third tempered glass screen protector. So you're going to get 3 tempered glass screen protectors. Once I have applied the tempered glass screen protector from SmartDevil onto the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, there will be a piece of film left over within this area. You want to take that out, throw it away, and set up another tempered glass screen protector for a later time. And I will show you how to do that as we go through the process. So I'm going to go ahead and put those over here, leave that as is. Now on the lid of the box, we have this circular spongy material that's going to help with the sticking process with the tempered glass screen protector and the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Basically, I'm going to take my 9 Pro XL, put it within the box like that. We're going to close the lid. We're going to press on that spongy material. We're going to press right up in here as well. And we're going to do that for about 5-10 seconds. But again, please read the instructions. And then we will pull on that arrow to remove the film. And once that's said and done, we can pull my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL out of the box and everything's going to be great, folks. Everything is going to be great. So let's go ahead and do this. I do have my 9 Pro XL turned off. It's just going to make it that much easier. So I'm going to remove the existing tempered glass screen protector. And yeah, powering off any device when doing a tempered glass screen protector install is just that much easier. So we're going to get into the accessories here. You get 3 for each screen protector. Put that right there. Those right there. SmartDevil film installation tool kit. microcloth, dust absorber, alcohol prep wipe. We got everything we need. All right, so we're going to wipe down with the alcohol prep wipe the flat display on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Then we're going to take the microcloth, clean up that display really nice, dry it up, make sure there's no dust, lint, and if there is anything on that display, we're going to remove it with the dust absorber. That says top right there, so we want to make sure that we position, or I position, my 9 Pro XL the right way. I don't want it upside down. Now take your time, be patient. Do this sometime during the day where there's not a lot going on. You really just want to enjoy the process so everything is done correctly. Okay. Woo! We're getting to the part that I'm going to enjoy. The smart pull box. So we want to press, rub down on that smart pull box. I know this is a lengthy video, but you know what? I want to make sure that I'm doing this right, because this is a first for me, and that you're getting to see every step in the process of this install. The smart pull box from SmartDevil. All right, are we ready? Woo! Man, that felt good. That felt special. You got these areas here to help remove the 9 Pro XL out of the box. Now what I'm going to do is press right in here to help lift. Now there are some bubbles, but you can just squeeze those out. Again, taking your time, enjoying the process. Wow, that is so cool. We'll take that out and we'll take the next one here and get it ready if I ever need it. Got those little cutouts that are going to fit right in there. Get that ready. Just like that, folks. And you're ready to go in case you ever need to apply another SmartDevil tempered glass screen protector onto your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Okay, so now I want to try a couple cases. I got a clear case here from UAG. I want to make sure that we're not going to have any issues with the sides, corners lifting when you put on a case. That is nice. Making sure. Look at that. You can see the space between the tempered glass screen protector and the case. Okay, one more case to test out from Extreme Skins, their new custom X30 case, where you can purchase a skin and apply it to a case to give it a little extra some. If you don't want to put a skin on your phone, you can go this route. Something new from Extreme Skins, and I'll leave a link down below in the description area. That way you can check out their new cases and skins for those cases. Everything looks great, and now it's time to test out the fingerprint reader. I'm going to say that it's probably best to reset it so you get the best results, but I don't see why there should be an issue right out of the gate. Bam, just like that. Awesome. No issues as far as the touch response. I'm digging it. All right. And with that, thank you so much, SmartDevil, for giving me the opportunity to represent. Looking forward to working with you for quite some time. If there are any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. All the information for the SmartDevil Smart Pull Box will be down below in the description area. The cases that were used in this video, that information down in the description area. And with that, God bless you all. Have a beautiful day. Peace. I am out.